Hi everyone, I'm back today to share with you a little project that I was working on. I was kind of in the summer mood, I guess, thinking of warm weather, and watermelon came to mind. So I decided to do a little mini loaded envelope with a watermelon theme. And to go with that, I made these little watermelon themed gift tags. And it's just a clean and simple project. You know, nothing too over embellished or too fancy, but just something that's kind of fun to do. They'd be cute for, you know, to put on your summer presents or gifts that you're giving away, or to add to your Happy Mail or something like that. So I'll first show you the loaded pockets that I've done, and then I'll go ahead and do a tutorial on the making the gift tags. So for the pocket, I just used a bright green for the background. And I did two layers together. I put some pink on the back just to give it a little more support for an extra layer there. So the pocket here, I just folded up. I used my circle punch to create that little opening there. And just embellished it with some words like sweet beyond words, juicy. A little flower cutout with a sequin on top, a little flower embellishment. I added one of the little tags that I made here, so it's a usable tag. I created little envelopes with my envelope punch board, just a pink one to match. I just used a little pop dot to secure it there. And then I just made these cute little kind of little tags with hearts on them, and then the watermelon color on the back, so somebody could use those. And then I made a second envelope here, a black one. And in here I just put some little embellishing things that they can use. A little tag that I made that has watermelon on it, says "so good." So those are cute. And then let's see, on the back I did made another envelope, a little green one here, and in this one I added just a little package of flowers and circle cutouts that I cut out in the colors of the watermelon theme. And just put a little sticker on top of that, put that in there, so that's something they can use. And then just embellish just a little bit with a heart and a little tag. It says "a perfect day," a little bit of bling. Nothing, you know, overly done, but I think it looks fresh and fun. So yeah, so I made that, and then I'm just gonna pause the video and set things up so that I can do a little tutorial of these watermelon gift tags for you. So I'll be back in a moment. Okay, so to make these little watermelon gift tags, you'll need a green piece of cardstock that measures 2 3/4 by 4 inches. And what you'll want to do is first I make the little corner pieces with my envelope punch. It just kind of gives a nice little curve to them. So I'm going to do that with my envelope punch here. And you flip it over, just lining it up with the center hole there. Do that. And then I round the corners on the bottom with the top of the punch here. So it's like that for that piece. And then you will also need a pink piece of scrapbook paper. You could use pink or red if you want it to be a bit more red of a watermelon, whatever you have. And so for this, it's 2 1/2 by 3 1/4. And I'll have all the measurements in the description, so you don't have to remember them. So for this one, I'm going to round the corners on this. And you can see that I've already stamped "just for you" on there with my stamps. I did that ahead of time. But you could put, you know, whatever little stamps you have, just a little message that you want to put on there, "to," "from" if you want, or, you know, something else if you like. So for that, and then I need a little white piece, and that will be for this on the bottom here. So I'm going to round the corners of that, and this piece is 1/2 inch by 2 1/2 inches. So I'll just round the two corners. So you want to flip it over so that you get the rounding on the same side, like this. And then you're going to cut out the little seeds. I just cut out a little tiny template. It's not very big, just this little seed bit here. And then I traced that and cut several out for the different seeds on the cards here. So first, I think we'll start, move this out of the way, putting this together. So I'm going to use my double-sided tape to put the pink onto the green backing here. So I'm just going to kind of line this up like so. There. And see, then I will add this white, the white piece to the bottom here. I hope this is in the camera and you can see this okay. Okay there. So I've already added the double-sided tape to this, so make it easy here. So I'm going to just kind of line this up. Put that on here. Then I have my little seeds. And I've just put a little glue dot on the back of each one, and you can just kind of put them randomly where you want them. Just doesn't really matter. There's those. Whoops. That'll be stuck on there. There we go. And then I cut out just a little piece of green in a triangle, a piece of white to go across the middle of it, and then a piece of pink to go across the top in the triangle, and just tape those together. And then I just used my black Pigma marker and did little black dots to look like seeds on top of there. And then we're going to tape that on. Just any way you like on here. So something like this. So it's coming, and then we're just going to punch a hole in the center. I'm just kind of eyeballing this for now. And I have a piece of ribbon. It's about 8 inches, just a narrow white ribbon. And you could use something else on here. This is just, I had the white, but black ribbon would look kind of nice. Just kind of go with the seeds, or you could use hot pink or green, whatever you would like. So just add those, and yeah, that's basically it. You could embellish it more if you want it to have more embellishments, but I think they turned out pretty cute like that. So yeah, I hope this inspires you, and you start thinking of summer and your summer projects. So I hope you have a great day. Thanks for subscribing and watching. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.